નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 4 of chapter 7. Can you see the pattern of standard 5th mathematics? And we are in the practice time. And by this time we will go for third practice. Okay, which is available on the page number 102, 102. So open your textbook page number 102 and let's go for this one. First of all, let's see what is the question. Some patterns are given below on the left side of the red line. You can see there is a red line and on the left side there are some patterns are there. For each pattern write the rule. For each pattern write the rule. Which rule they are following? Write the rule, then choose what comes next from the right side of the line and tick. First of all, we have to write the rule, and after understanding the rule, that which rule is it following, then after we have to choose which will come the next. Okay, now let's try to understand this one. See, in this one, first of all, I have to take any line as a reference. So I will take this line as a reference. So let me draw a circle somewhere over here. Let me draw a circle somewhere over here, and this line. Let it be over here. I will draw over here. Then the next line is over somewhere here. Then the next line here. Now it is coming over here. Why? Because I can understand this from this circle. Okay, this circle it is now over here. So this line is somewhere over here, isn't it? Now this circle is somewhere over. So this line is somewhere over here. So it is vertical. So let me draw that line. Okay. So the next line will be this one only, isn't it? So from this we can say this pattern is turning 45 degree and that to be clockwise, isn't it? This figure is turning clockwise. See, you can see this point, this point, this point, now this point. So it is turning in this way clockwise. Second thing, the figure is turning at 45 degree. How can we say? See, this one, this one, this one. These are the points of 45 degree. So rule for this will be the figure is turning clockwise. Turning clockwise at 45 degree, isn't it? This figure is turning clockwise at 45 degree. Now which will be the next? Then see, it is turning this one. So the next line will be this one, and you can see it is over here. Second thing, the next should be this one. So this second figure is the right figure, or we can say the second figure will be the next to this figure. Now let's go for this one. In this one you can see there is same figure, but here suppose I am taking this triangle as my reference. This is for my reference. So, and let me draw a circle over here. So first circle over here, isn't it? Then after it was here. Then after it is somewhere over here. And then after. So let me draw. So this figure is turning at 90 degree. This figure is turning at 90 degree. Second thing, see, it is moving in the clockwise direction. So the rule for this is, see, I will not write over here. Just I am speaking just to understand that. The figure is turning clockwise by F or by. The figure is turning clockwise by 90 degree. So the answer, the rule for this is, the figure is turning clockwise by 90 degree. This is the rule for B. Now let's see the rule for C. Take any line for reference. I will take this line for reference, for my reference, and let me draw a circle over here. Then this line, let me draw this line. Then it has come, see, this line, it has turned something like this. That is why this line is over here, isn't it? So, but it is turning in some direction, that is clockwise. Then after once again it turned, and now this one. So once again, so like this. So this figure is also turning clockwise, isn't it? From here it has come over here. So this figure is turning clockwise by 90 degree. This figure is turning clockwise by 90 degree. Now let's see this figure. And here also we forget one thing. Which figure will come next over here? See, first of all this triangle was here, then after here, then after, naturally it should be over here, isn't it? So the next figure should be this one. Now in this also, see, this figure is turning clockwise. So this way, then after this way, then once I see this same figure will come. This figure and this figure, both are same. Can you see? So it is turning 90 degree. So the next figure will be this type. Where is this type of figure? This one, isn't it? So next figure will be this one. Now let's go for the third one. You can see, let me take this round as a, this spiral round as a reference. So, and let me draw a circle for this. So first of all, my point is over here. Then that come over here, isn't it? Somewhere over here. So it is turning in the anti-clockwise direction. Now it has come over here. So it should be over here. And now it is over here. So rule for this, let me write the rule for this rule. The figure is turning, the figure is turning anti-clockwise. See, this is turning anti-clockwise. Then after from here, it is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise by 90 degree. By 90 degree. So this is the rule for the last one. Now we will go for the next some practice. Wait for a while. So now move on page number 103. Look for a pattern. Make the picture which breaking the rule. From this there is a pattern from which one of the picture is breaking a rule, and that picture we will find out. Now first of all look into this A, in which you can see a figure which is turning. See, you can see there is a circle as a marking point. Keep a circle over here. Then one time circle is at upside, second time the circle or small circle is facing low, that downside, upside, downside, upside. Then here it should be downside or not, isn't it? Why? Because this is turning at it is, this is the half turn. What we can say? Half turn. And that to be clockwise. Or else you can see this here, it is facing, this circle is facing up, down, up. Then it should be over here, down, isn't it? And once again it is up. So here the figure should be something like this. Okay. Instead of this figure, the figure should be like this, or like this, or like this. So this figure is wrong. We can see that. Now in the B, this one. See, there is umbrella like shape, and you can see it is turning. Once it is here, now it is here, now it is here. So it is a clockwise turn, isn't it? Second thing, it is turning at 90 degree, isn't it? It is turning at 90 degree. So, or we can say 1/4 turn. So this one over here, then it is over here, isn't it? Then it is over here, that is also right. Now it should come over here. Why? Because see, this one over here, then it should be over here. So it is here. Now it should be over here. That is why it is here. Now it should be over here. So this one is wrong. Ideally what it should be? Ideally what it should be? It should be something like this. See, the figure should be something like this. And see, this is the right figure. So this is the wrong figure. Okay. Now let's see the next. This is actually a flying bird-like picture, but I have seen something like this. Okay. Now this is a pattern, but can you see all these three are same? First three patterns are same. Now it is following one of the rule, then it should not be there. So the mistake is somewhere over here, either this or this. Okay. So let's go further. This is at the, it is this triangle is facing downside, triangle is facing upside, triangle is facing downside, triangle is facing upside. So the rule is what? It is turning half a turn, down, up. So if I go in this way, then up, down. So here it should be up. This figure is wrong. Here it should be something like this. The answer should be, so this should be the figure over here, isn't it? Now let's see this one, the last one. See, first of all, look the figure which is outside. Here we can say square or rhombus type. Okay. Actually, this is rhombus. See, if it is drawn something like this, then we can say this is a rhombus. Okay. So, rhombus, triangle, rhombus, triangle, rhombus, triangle, rhombus. It is okay. That is okay. Then after, everywhere inside there is a circle. See, here there is a circle, then here is a circle. Second figure, second inside figure is circle. Here we can see circle, second circle, here also circle, here there is no circle. But here there is a circle, here there is a circle, here there is. That means this figure is wrong. Actually, what is that? See, if outer figure is rhombus, then inner figure is triangle in the circle. If outer figure is triangle, then rhombus in the circle. Once again, if outer is rhombus, then inner figure is triangle in the circle. But here, ideally it should be what? Triangle is right. So here it should be triangle. Then after, circle should be there. Circle, and inside there should be a rhombus. So this is the right figure. You can see this is the right figure. So here this rhombus should not be there. That is why this is wrong figure. So this way we have completed this look for a pattern. Now we will go for the next question or next exercise. Till then I am closing or ending this part. Watch this video and try to understand the figures and the rules with yourself. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.